Hello crafty friends, welcome to another video. So back by popular demand, I've got the rest of my little heart die cuts. I've also added some gold glitter hearts and circles that were in my stash. And I'm going to create another 5 cards for you today using these. First things first, I've got this piece of linen textured cardstock and I'm going to colour it with some Lost Shadow Distress Oxide, which is a very pale browny grey. And now I'm going to cut from it using these dies. So I've got a bit of high-tack white glue on my silicone mat here and I'll spread it out quite thinly. And I'm going to chop the flowery bits or the leafy bits off the top of my stalks, because what I want, that one can stay because it's not very big, what I want is to add my hearts on top of my stalks so they look like flowers. So I can take a stem or a stalk, dip it into my glue and then place it on my card along the bottom. So I'm working straight on the card blank. I'll pause for now and press those down so that they are in good contact with the card blank. And now I'm going to add some of my colourful hearts. So now I've got a full row there. I'm going to add a few shorter ones, I think, just for variation in height. I coloured the stalks with the Lost Shadow just so they had a tiny blush of colour, so they didn't disappear completely into the background. And now I'll trim off the overhang. For my sentiment, I've got this birthday wishes banner, and that's going to go up there, about as far away as you can possibly get it. And I'm going to get the small gold glitter hearts and just tuck them underneath the colourful hearts. It looks like a flower centre poking out from the top of the flower. And now I'm just going to add some tiny little drops of matte gel medium above the flowers, as if there's kind of pollen coming off the flowers. And I've got lots of tiny little gold circles that I can add. So it looks like those gold flower centres are producing the pollen that's drifting off on the breeze. I'll just dab up any excess matte medium using my microfiber cloth. And there you go, card number 1, some whimsical heart-shaped flowers. For card number 2, I've die cut a grid net type thing out of some white card. And I'm adding high-tack white glue to the back using my glue dotter. And I'm going to place it towards the top of the card in the middle, but then get my T-square ruler to make sure that the main part here is on straight, and then I can stick the rest down firmly. I'll use my glue spreader just to add some glue under any bits that didn't get enough. Before I add any hearts, I'm going to add my sentiment, and that's going to sit there in the middle on that 3rd line. And now I'm going to add some hearts on my grid, keeping them vertical. And now I'll add some gold glitter hearts here and there. And that's card number 2, definitely clean and simple. Right, I've got an envelope here die and one of my other backgrounds made with my Catherine Polar ink pads. I'll leave a link to that video below if you want to go and watch it. So I'm going to cut an envelope from this because it's kind of envelope-y coloured. I'm also going to cut one from white. This one, I don't need all of it, just the top bit really. And I'm going to feed that into there. So I've got an insert in my envelope. I'll add a bit of glue to keep that in place. And I'm going to put this envelope in the middle so that it sits there on that line. And now I'm going to add matte medium so that I can add some hearts escaping from my envelope. And now for some gold glitter. So the sentiment reads, enjoy your day, and I'm going to put it straight on that envelope there. And then we have card number 3. There's lots of white space here, so I think it still counts as clean and simple. For card number 4, I'm going to cut a heart out of this panel of linen textured white card. And now I'm going to put that panel temporarily on the front of my card to act as a template. But what I want to do is add some hearts inside my heart. I'm going to start with this heart here and get it lined up there. And same with this heart down here. And that will just make sure that I have the right shapes at the tips of the heart. And I'm going to add lots of hearts in my heart shape to create a heart shape of hearts. And now I'm going to fill in all the little gaps with gold glitter. So that's mostly filled in. I'm going to take this off to see how it looks. Might be room for 1 or 2 extra little gold dots. On my sentiment, I've chosen this Get Well Soon, and I'm going to pop it there on that 3rd line up from the bottom. And that's card number 4. I did think about putting the sentiment here, but I think it would have covered up too much of the heart. Right, on to card number 5, our last card for today. And I'm going to take this panel of linen textured card and use this scalloped border die to die cut off about 1/3. And this is the bit I want to keep, but I'm actually going to stick this bit on the back to give it a little bit of lift. And then I'm going to stick it to the front of a card blank. Now I'm going to add some hearts to this bit here and start by tucking that heart under there in the middle of the card vertically. And then I'm going to work my way up, and now I'm going to work my way down. I'll see if these are straight, give them a bit of a nudge if they're not. And now I'm going to add another column in rainbow order next to it, and I'll just fill up the whole of this side. So I've got all my columns in, and now I'm just adding a bit of matte medium to the blue violet hearts. And I'll use the gold glitter hearts to add bling. I don't want to add it to every single heart on there. I think that would be too much. But the gold will stand out nicely on the blue violet. So I've got a print and cut sentiment that says here for you. Could go down here, could go up here. I'm tempted to put it up there. I think it will stand out well against the hearts. And that's clean and simple card number 5. And there you go, 5 clean and simple cards, really happy with those. I've still got quite a few of my coloured hearts, so I reckon I could get a couple more cards out of that, but I think I'll pop these in my leftover die cuts bag and save them for a later date. So I hope you've enjoyed today's video. I hope it's given you a few ideas, and I hope to see you back here very soon for another video. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.